Good day. This is Rosemary, owner of Hands of Life by Rosemary, located in New Jersey. And I wanted to welcome you to my home office. I'm located in a small little community in Hope, New Jersey. And I do some workshops in person as well as a lot of Zoom work, one-to-one with clients. If you're interested in coming in for a session or a workshop, let me know. I also have wonderful self-study courses that you can do on your own. Again, my website is rosemaryd.com, and my specialty is helping people find their way, their path, to open to their spiritual gifts, to develop their intuition, their ability to channel, and their ability to move ahead in their life when they feel stuck. I am not a counselor. I was a trained school teacher, 32 years. I have a master's degree in education. And I've been doing my business since the year 2000, working with hundreds of clients, not only training them to use Reiki energy work on their friends and family and their clients, but also to guide people through different parts of their life. I'm also an author. I recently published Inspired by Angels, a book from the heart, located on Amazon. I have Divine Messengers, another spiritual book that talks about my journey. I have 3 middle grade fiction, series for kids 11 to 14 called the Time Wheel series, and it's got some fantasy elements and some fun characters in it. And I have a few primary books that are also published, and you can also find them on Amazon and on my website, rosemaryd.com. And if you click on Grow Your Spirit Books, which is also my website, you can find all my kid information. If you are a parent of a reader or a child that loves books, you could enter to join in for my special email for parents and kids. Just make sure you write in the tagline books or parent or child, something where I know that's going to be on a separate website, excuse me, a separate email list from my regular spiritual people. If you're interested in spiritual growth and workshops, I have lots of YouTube videos. Soon I'll be hosting a webcast on Bold and Brave TV. That should be coming up probably in February. So we'll see. I want you to keep track of what I'm doing. And if you'd like to join my mailing list, info@rosemaryd.com. You can go to my website and join in there. And I have blogs and such you might be interested in. Anyway, I would love to talk to you and meet you. If you would like a discovery session just to see if my services will fit your needs, you can contact me at info@rosemaryd.com and request one, or go to my website and there's a scheduling bar that says discovery session and you can book in for one. So I look forward to hearing from you and have a wonderful day and a happy upcoming February.